Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change navigation buttons to gestures on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, open Settings on your device, then scroll down to System and Update. Here, go to System Navigations, and if you have buttons selected, select Gestures, and now you can start using gestures to navigate on your device. You can also adjust gestures just like you can do with buttons by changing the buttons layout. You can show or hide the guide bar at the bottom of your screen. You can vibrate or disable vibration on back navigation. You can adjust mistouch prevention, and if you want to learn gestures, go right here and check which gestures you can use on your smartphone. And we can also adjust sensitivity to back gestures and things like circle to search, digital assistant, and also enabling the swipe animations, which will, as you can see, show us the previous page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.